Guess what we got, Ryan? Guess.
My four-wheeler?
Yes. Yes!
We seem to have an injury, Grandma. Bubba's been run over
Better
by a
call
fire
an
truck.
ambulance.
Bubba got ran over by a fire truck.
Oh,
You calling in sick?
Oh! The fire truck is stuck.
Back up.
Say, scooch over, Daisy. Scooch over. Uh-oh.
Step on the gas. Daisy says, I'm ready. We seem to have an injury, Grandma. Bubba's been run over by
Better
a
call
fire
an
truck.
ambulance.
Bubba got ran over by a fire truck. Daisy's driving.
She ran Bubba over.
Going for the fire, Bubba?
I'm sorry about that.
Are you there?
I'm sorry about that, but
Almost running Grandma over.
yeah, but
That's okay.
Yeah,
that's okay.
but it's
That's okay.
You gotta go catch up. Ready? Ready? Go catch her. Come on. We gotta catch her. She's coming to save you. Oh. Ah, my foot. Ow.
The tree is the finish line and past.
You gotta go back to the tree. That's Emmy's four-wheeler.
You see on it.
His boot fell off, I know. Time to take our scarecrow out of the front yard. Get ready for Christmas decorations. We'll put Santa out in the front yard. Oh, he's tired and he wants a snack, he said. Does pizza sound good?
I want orange.
Oranges too? Pizza and oranges, okay.
He's good.
Oh, wait a minute. He discovered a treasure. What's in there?
Good flavor.
Oh, boy.
There are a bunch of good flavors.
What about that pizza?
And there's two.
What about the pizza?
That's two.
Wow, that's a big one.
And some of them don't, and six of them.
This is Mom.
Hi.
I can't. You can.
Did you wash your hands?
I did.
Do you love oranges?
Yes.
Your pizza's ready too. Pizza and oranges. What are you doing over here? TikToking. Guess what we got, Ryan? Guess. We got something running.
My four-wheeler?
Yes. Yes. Much better than TikToks. What? There she goes. Oh.
Hey, Bubba. What's that?
It's a monster.
It's a monster? What?
Wow.
It's a monster.
Yep.
Yeah. And what does it do?
It turns on.
Yeah, but what noise does it make?
And noise.
Does it make a noise?
It goes,
Do you want me to turn it on?
no.
No. There's the monster. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? You going to work? Oh, you calling in sick? Or are you calling in your car won't start?